Oh, great. I already know what mood this customer is going to be in. Oh, yeah. Great. Work here. What the fuck? Yeah, who did this? Stellar job.
Supposed to be plumber.
All right.
And it was working when they came.
Yeah.
Check out
That it was. Yeah, this is a really good job, man.
that's awful.
The
And then when we did that,
Jesus Christ.
we replaced the thermostat.
What's this? I think you need to have Barnum and Bailey come back out here and look at this, not me. I really don't want to touch this, ma'am.
No, I actually turned it on from the inside.
Okay.
I turned the fan on.
Yeah.
It's working, but I don't know how to use the.
Oh, you just want me to show you use the remote? I can do that, but other than that, I'm not. I can't
Oh,
touch
no, I
that.
don't
I can't
want
touch
you
that.
That's a mess.
That's a. Whew.
It's a puzzle.
That's a Joe Biden project there. All right. Show me this remote control.